In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade your Hostinger plan, whether you're downsizing to suit a tighter budget or simply don't need all the features of your current plan. Switching to a different option can be a practical decision. Let's walk through the steps you'll need to follow to make this change smoothly and efficiently. First, you'll want to start by logging into your hPanel account. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your hosting with Hostinger, so having easy access is key. Once you're logged in, take a look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see a purple chat icon there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a chat interface where you can begin your interaction with Hostinger's customer support. At this point, you have the option to type out a message to the support team. A good starting message might be something like, "Hi, I'd like to downgrade my hosting plan from my current plan to the target plan for my site." This gives them the information they need to start assisting you right away. As you continue the conversation, you may want to get connected to a human agent. To do this, simply request, "Connect me to a real person." This ensures that any specific questions or concerns you have are addressed by someone who can handle the nuances of your request effectively. Once you're speaking with an agent, it's essential to clearly state both the plan you're currently on and the one to which you want to switch. This clarity helps the agent process your request without any unnecessary back and forth. You should be prepared for a few follow-up questions from the support team. These might include details about your desired new plan and billing period. Take this opportunity to confirm the specifics of what you're looking for. They might also clarify any changes to resource limits or features between your current plan and the new plan. This step ensures there are no surprises later on regarding what services you'll have access to. Finally, once everything is discussed and understood, the agent will ask for your consent to initiate the downgrade. Confirm that you're ready to proceed, and they'll take care of the rest. Downgrading your hosting plan doesn't have to be daunting. With these steps, you can navigate the process smoothly, tailoring your hosting needs to better suit your current situation. As always, Hostinger's support team is there to assist, making the transition as seamless as possible. Thanks for taking the time to learn how to downgrade your Hostinger plan. Remember, it's all about finding the right balance for your needs. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Hostinger's support team.